thinking of getting veneers but you are scared that they will look fake and not real, then you are welcome to A to Z series of veneers, where I'll be explaining everything about veneers, so it will be your complete guide for a perfect smile. So today I'll be discussing about the anatomy of veneers, what makes them look real. Number one point is the translucency, which is present at the incisal edges. This translucency is present in all the veneers, which depicts the enamel which is there in the natural teeth. So you can see the veneer, it is not of the same shade. At the incisal edges we have this translucency. Then comes the center two veneers. The center two veneers should not be mirror images. There should be a little bit of asymmetry in between them. It is called as asymmetrically symmetrical. So we incorporate this asymmetry in alignment or in length. One can be shorter and one can be little longer, so that they look natural. Then comes the shade match. A shade should be perfectly matching to the adjacent teeth if you are doing say 2 or 3 veneers. If you are doing top 6 or top 8 veneers, we can select the brightest and the more white shade if you desire. It totally depends upon what your whitening goals are. Then comes the margins. Margins are the most important point of veneers, and as you can see here, the margins should completely blend with the veneers and no one should be able to tell where the veneers start and where it ends, and it should feel like a complete part of your natural teeth. So understanding these points will help you feel empowered about what natural veneers look like before even starting the treatment. So if you want to know more about the veneers, then follow this A to Z series.